I have this morning appeared before the crime branch and given my detailed statement. I have given the IO, Mr. Datta Guru Sawant, the entire sequence of events, and over a hour-long statement, I have placed before him the entire facts, and it is now for him to investigate further in the case. I have right through the investigation cooperated with the IO right from Anjuna police station when I was summoned on the 30th. It has been my stand, and it is my stand that the entire complaint against me is false and fabricated. The entire complaint is concocted. In fact, the complaint is on a basis that I had uploaded a video involving the minister and the lady concerned. I told the Anjuna police station, and I have told the police today also, that they should try and show me that video, because I have not uploaded any video, and as there is no video uploaded by me, the very foundation of that complaint is bogus, and it proves that it is a fabricated complaint against me. That those behind this fabricated complaint will be eventually exposed as the truth, and nothing but the truth will surface after the investigation by the crime branch. So I have always cooperated, and anything that the crime branch needs from me, I will cooperate with them.